Right, so it's March, so that means St. Patrick's Day is coming up. So we've got a nice St. Patrick's Day themed pour going on today. I haven't been able to upload recently so much just because I've been a little overloaded with different things. Working on a new project for myself, a new costume build, a Batman build. So, yes, I'm that kind of nerd. But I also have got a trip coming up that I'm planning, so I won't be completely active, or what I do put out will just kind of be really basic stuff. Won't have a lot of production put into it, I guess. Let's go ahead and get into this St. Patrick's Day themed pour. I tried something new, and we'll see if it works out. Alright, so I've already got everything mixed out. I've been using black for the base, phthalo green, emerald green, and bright green with some white, just for additional color. And the concept I was going for was basically to use a cookie cutter in an open cup pour style, but was hoping to be able to hold the shape of the cookie cutter in the clover, hold the shape of the clover from the cookie cutter, and let's just go ahead and let it play out and see what happens. This one's right here, just adding silicone to the colors. And as you can see, it doesn't hold the shape. It was really a little bit sad. So I tried pouring less paint, and well, as you can see, still didn't work. So I just kind of filled it in, used up the paint that I already had on there, kind of just stopped trying. Alright, so, well, even though that method isn't exactly like new, it's a little new test for me, I suppose, and, well, for the concept that I was wanting to go for, complete failure, but that's okay. Either way, live and learn. Hope you enjoyed it. Please give a thumbs up, and maybe subscribe. Goodbye.